The new mechanism gets it up much higher. And why is that important? Well, that's important because if someone needs to get their feet up above their heart, or if they need to get their feet up higher, you can do it with the new mechanism. Look at the difference. It's amazing. I've never really liked the Vivas because of this reason. 18 inches. Get over here, almost up to 24 inches to the top. Over here at the top's 19. So there's a 4-inch difference. Now you can still adjust this. You don't have to go up that high if you don't need that. So let's recline this all the way back, because this is another thing they've done. And one thing, if you're sleeping in the chair all the time, I don't really see, this won't recline back with these buttons, just with this remote. With that one, recline back with the rocker. There's a pretty big opening right here. So just be very aware when you're buying these Vivas. It's a 2-inch open. So the fix to that is putting a pillow. Where the new one on the Radiance, it's about 1 inch. And then this also usually gets zipped when they're out. So it kind of has a little bit, but it still has a little bit of a gap, but not as near as the old style Vivas. So if you're looking for a chair, this is an independent control. So the feet, the back kind of operates separate than the chair, which some Maxi Comforts kind of work together. They say the footrest is independent in the back, but really it's the box that's changing. And then you have a power pillow on all of them. All the Vivas are going to have power pillow lumbar. The difference on some of them, like the Radiance, is going to add heat, and then the new Ultra, which is right beside me, is going to add massage, which is more of like in and out massage, which is kind of lubricating your back. It's not, it has a little bit of a needling effect, but I don't really feel it too much. But my back, I pulled my back and I got in this thing, and I'm telling you, I went completely upside down, like one of those little teeter-totter things, and turned on the massage feature, and I was up walking around right afterwards. So Christmas, I was out. So real quick, remember, we're just really pointing this out today. We're going to do a video over the Tranquility 2, or that's the Tranquility, but the Tranquility 2, the different sizes that they offer, the Tranquility 2 compared to the Ultra compared to the Radiance. The Radiance has the wireless charging port, USB, cup holder. The Ultra also has that. They have a different fabric line than each other, so we'll go over the fabrics. And then the Tranquility doesn't have the heat, and it doesn't have the cup holders. So I think you're really going to like the new Ultra that's coming out. There's going to be a lot of videos on that. And we've been selling a lot of the Radiances that come in different sizes: petite wide, small, medium, large, tall. I think this one also comes in a small, medium, large, tall. So check us out online at affordablemedicalusa.com or liftchairusa.com. You can also go to the search bar, put in Viva lifts. I would stay with the new style, the Radiance, Tranquility 2, or the Ultra.